So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show us how we can turn our Facebook profile to a professional mode. Let's say you want to start the Facebook creators activities. You want to become a creator on Facebook. It is not really easy to build a Facebook page from the scratch, and that is why I advise people to just turn on their their profile page, Facebook profile into a professional mode. Is the same thing as a Facebook page. The same you have. In fact, you enjoy more benefit as a creator under the professional mode than using a page. Okay, so today I want to show you how the simple step on how you can just turn that Facebook profile of yours into a professional mode where all your friends becomes your followers. Okay, rather than going to build a fresh Facebook page, you can just start using your Facebook profile to do your content creation. Right, you can just start using your professional mode after you have turned it from the Facebook profile to start doing your content creation. Okay, so what you first do is to go to your Facebook. Yeah, this is your Facebook. I have to use this account because mine has been turned, so I just wanted to show you from the scratch. So you click on your profile picture. Then when you click on your profile picture, you see the three dots by your right hand side. Here you click here. Okay, so when you click here, you scroll. Okay, scroll and see turn on professional mode. Click on it. Then it shows you turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook, get paid for your content, see content insight, grow your audience. Then it says turn on. Okay, if you want to learn more, you can still click on learn more to learn more on how it will benefit you. Okay, but if you don't want to work as a content creator, you don't need to turn on to professional mode, because professional mode is just to make you a content creator, right? So if you really want to work as a content creator, you have things to create, you have something to showcase to the world, and then you will need Facebook to monetize you as a Nigerian or wherever you are. You just turn on your professional mode rather than building a fresh Facebook page, which is not easy to get followers. Okay, let's say on your professional mode, I mean your profile, you already have like 5,000 followers. Immediately you turn on to a professional mode, it gives you 5,000 followers, right? So you click on turn on, and voila, it has turned on already. Now if you look at the top here, you see professional dashboard, your progress. Okay, so you see your challenges, because you're going to go through challenge, right? They will set up challenge for you, weekly challenge that you go through in order to become a creator on Facebook, right? Then your achievements, when you click here, you get the achievement, things you've been able to achieve. Okay, now look at this one. We have weekly challenge. It says get 5 new followers, publish 7 new public posts, reply to 5 comments, automatically share your Instagram post to Facebook, and then add your bio. Okay, because you need to add your bio. Your bio tells people what you do. Okay, it makes people understand what you do. Show them, okay, the content I'm creating is based on this and that, right? So you can just go, you check on other things, next achievements, go for weekly challenge, everything that you need to know. Okay, it's there for you to know. Okay, this is just how simple it is to turn your Facebook profile into a professional mode. Now let's go back and see what we see at our profile. Okay, right, see, we now have 1.6k followers. Okay, and it shows you how the number of people you are following. Okay, so this person already has 1.6 Facebook friends before. So immediately we turned it into a professional mode, it gave us 1.6k followers. Okay, now it's showing us this is already a professional dashboard, so it gives you every right to everything you need to do. You say view guide, welcome to professional mode, view guide, professional mode guide. You go through all this, you visit everything in order to be able to understand what you need to do while on professional mode, so that you don't go against the policy of Facebook and face suspension. A lot of people have been suspended because they weren't doing the right thing. Because as a creator, there are some things you are not supposed to do, right? Those things you can freely do when you were using your Facebook profile. You might not be free to do them all as a creator, right? Because you are marketing to the world. You have to be careful with what you do. They watch you to make sure that you are not going against their rules, you're not going against their laws, you're not doing anything that will affect their audience. Because as much as they care about you as a creator, they also care about their audience. They care about those that are, following you. They care about their privacy. Okay, so be very careful to go through everything that guides you as a a creator, a content creator. Okay, wishing you all the best, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting so many good things about Facebook content creation, what you need to do, the niches that will work best for you. Because I see a lot of people going into content creation because they say Facebook has monetized Nigerians. People just go out there, start posting different kind of things. Facebook, they are very, very, as in, how will I put it now? It is a professional business, so they are very, very careful with whatsoever you're bringing in. Okay, so you need to be guided. So come here daily to check on my posts on Facebook and even other content that you might be needing to learn as a content creator. Okay, because all these social media platforms, they work together, so you can just copy from here and post it here. Most times when I make my videos, I edit them, for Facebook. I can turn one video to every platform. I can post them to every platform. I just add a little editing to it all and then post on the several platforms that I'm in. Okay, so you can learn that from this area. So whenever you come here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and give a like and comment so that you continue to see more of this kind of posts that will help you build your niche online. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. And if you're my return subscriber, thank you for always being here. God bless you. Bye.